Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. This tutorial will cover how to use the TPlayer application. If you do not have it already installed, check on the channel for a lot of videos showing you different methods to download apps to your Android TV box, Google TVs, or any of your Android OS devices. Now when you have that application installed, I want you to head over to your app library and click on the application. So for this tutorial, I will show you how to use the TPlayer application. So navigate to it and click on OK or enter. When the application is launched, give it a few seconds to load up, and from here you can access your videos under the different folders. So maybe under movies, I have this video. If I click on this video, you begin to play immediately. Alternatively, you can look at your screen recordings. I have a lot of screen recordings here, and if you wish to use this app for streaming online, you could access videos or content that is not available on your local device. Content that is hosted online, click on this sandwich bar to the top left and you'll find network stream. Click on network stream and you'll be able to enter the link. So put the streaming link right here and you'll be able to access that content directly online from your TPlayer application. If you found this insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.